How to fix this PC can't run Windows 11 error on VMware Workstation. Option 1, encrypt virtual machine, and add trusted platform module, TPM, to your virtual machine later. Option 2, modify the VMX file. Add managed VM.auto add vtpm. Equals software in the end. Option 3, when you see this PC can't run Windows 11 error, press Shift plus F10 key, then input these lines below, regedit H key _ local _ machine / system / setup, then create a new folder, bypass TPM check under the setup folder. Create a new Word, 32-bit, value, labconfig end, set 1 to labconfig.